Hi everyone, this is HUAYANG Steel Pipe from China. How long has it been since you last had a family reunion? Today is the Mid-Autumn Festival, one of China's most important holidays, kind of like Thanksgiving in the US. It's all about family, happiness, and sharing. Families gather to eat mooncakes, admire the full moon, and celebrate together. The full moon supplies completeness, prosperity, and togetherness. Value to play rooted in Chinese culture. People believe the moon brings positive energy. Here are 6 ways families celebrate. 1. Gather with family and friends. 2. Share mooncakes. 3. Light up your home's money corner. 4. Clean and refresh your living space. 5. Decorate it with fresh flowers. 6. Prepare lucky fruit like oranges and apples. We hope the Chinese festival brings you lots of joy and good wishes. Wishing you and your family a wonderful holiday full of happiness and togetherness. Wish you a happy Mid-Autumn Festival. May your customers enjoy happiness and a humorous family life.